Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode, let's talk about FiberPlus pads, why they make such good sense for your commercial carpet cleaning as well as residential carpet cleaning needs. Stick around to find out more. So let's talk about FiberPlus pads today. FiberPlus pads is something that we've brought to the industry as a staple. Now, going back many years ago in my commercial carpet cleaning business, someone mentioned the thought of using pads. Back then, I'd always used a shampoo brush. I used to use a Braun aluminum back shampoo brush. It was the best for carpet shampooing. I loved it. So the thought of using a pad was really pretty wonky to me. So why do we love these pads so well today, and why are so many cleaners really fixated on using FiberPlus pads in their carpet cleaning business? First of all, FiberPlus pads last really long. We worked hard on finding a formulation that will give us longevity. Our cream-colored FiberPlus pads hold up well, and so do our FiberPlus Max. We worked on getting something that's going to be durable. Normally, you're going to see 7,000 to 10,000 square feet per installation of pads. Now, of course, that varies due to a lot of factors. For example, the consistency of the carpet. Olefin carpet, for example, is more abrasive than nylon is. Some guys clean slower, some clean faster, so we can't lock in a square foot production out of the pads, but generally the range is about 7,000 to 10,000 square feet per installation of pads, which is really good. When you factor in the cost of usage, it's really minuscule when it comes to cleaning. Now, what these do is they're going to grip the carpet, and I mentioned that Braun shampoo brush that I loved back in my early years of carpet cleaning worked great, but once I switched to this, it works so much better, and here's the reason why. Pads make better contact with the carpet fiber than brush bristles can. Let me illustrate it for you this way. Here we have a Cymex pad driver with a FiberPlus pad attached to the bottom. Our 8-inch FiberPlus pads connected to a Cymex pad driver. On this side, we have a shampoo brush. Now, a shampoo brush is, as we can see, bristled, and the bristles tend to bend under the weight of the machine. So when we put that on the carpet, it kind of flexes, and the sides of wet bristles aren't going to do a whole lot for cleaning the carpet. As you can see, as I'm pulling it back, the sides of the bristles aren't going to do a whole lot. Whereas, picture this, as this turns on the carpet, it's making constant contact with the carpet. Additionally, the solution, regardless of the driver, is going to be dispensed through either like this center hole on a Cymex. Now, it does have this little distribution tab underneath on the newer brushes that do a pretty good job of dispersing the solution, but it still doesn't equal what we're going to see here, because this just kind of spreads the solution like a sponge on the carpet. So we're going to evenly wet the carpet, so in the end we use less solution, and as I mentioned, we're making better contact with the carpet fiber, and that's what it's all about. We want good agitation. So this is going to grip the fiber and actually kind of move the tough bundles back and forth, so we're really massaging the carpet fiber as we scrub with the FiberPlus carpet pad, as opposed to the sides of slippery bristles. Doesn't do a whole lot for agitation of the carpet. So which one are you going to pick? Are you going to use the cream-colored or the gray-colored FiberPlus Max? The cream-colored pad is really awesome when it comes to cleaning any type of carpet, including residential. Of course, as always, you want to watch for abrasion to the fiber, but this works really well. Now, our FiberPlus Max, the gray one, is a little bit more abrasive. It's similar to a red pad. Now, be careful with red pads because you can get color transfer from the pad to the carpet. You won't ever get that with these pads. These are stable for carpet cleaning. The FiberPlus Max gives us better agitation, particularly for commercial loop carpets, any kind of a durable carpet. You're going to find that the FiberPlus Max is going to be your friend. It cleans about 20% faster than the cream-colored on nasty carpet. So if you've got a really grungy carpet, the FiberPlus Max is going to really amp things up for you. Use the cream-colored pad for everything, though, from A to Z. One final thought about using these pads. We think about bonnet cleaning. Now, when you spray a carpet and you run across it with a bonnet, you're absorbing soil into the bonnet, right? You can do the same thing with a FiberPlus pad. For example, if you did that with a FiberPlus pad, used it like a bonnet, for example, you're going to see that the soil is actually going to transfer right up the pad. It's going to kind of get gray at the bottom and get gray further up. These things grab soil like crazy, and they're super easy to rinse out. So you just simply take your driver to the mop sink or spray it with a hose, and the soil just flushes right out of it, and you can keep on using it. So we do have cleaners that are using these a lot when it comes to bonnet style cleaning, believe it or not, with FiberPlus pads. Typically though, they're used for agitation, for encapsulation. So these are great pads. We've been selling them for years, and it's created quite a following. The real FiberPlus pads are exceptional. They give you longevity, and they clean really well. It's just one more way. We're here to help you max your end cap at Excellent Supply. So thank you for watching this episode. If you would, give us a thumbs up. That helps us. Share your comments below and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching NCAP TV.